Seed and Size. Today my video is about a cream cheesecake. Let's go into the video. First I have taken 120 grams of milk chocolate. The ordinary milk chocolate we buy from the supermarket. And I'm adding half a cup of whipped cream to it. I've heated the whipped cream in a double boil system and pouring it to the milk chocolate to melt it. Then in another bowl, take 180 grams of cream cheese. This is readily available in all nearby supermarkets, and mix it well to form a smooth paste. To that, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and blend it well. In another bowl, take 2 tablespoons of milk and add 2 teaspoons of gelatin. We have to melt this gelatin in the milk mixture. Heat up water, boil the water. When the water is well boiled, keep the glass bowl in it and melt the gelatin. Once the gelatin is melted, add that to the cream cheese and mix it well. In another bowl, take half cup of heavy cream and 3 tablespoons of sugar and whip it. You can use a hand blender or a whipper, whichever is comfortable. Now this mixture will also go into the cream cheese and gelatin mix we have prepared already. Now this mixture is the base for the cream cheesecake which we are going to make now. We are going to make 3 different layers. The first layer is the plain cream cheese which I am adding it to the plastic bowl. I have added a butter paper in the bottom. It's better to add on the sides also. For the second layer, take quarter quantity of the chocolate mix which we have melted and mix it well to the cream cheese. It will give a light brown color to the cream cheese mix. This mix is going to be the second layer for our cream cheese cake. I am going to add 2 scoops of this cream cheese light brown color as my second layer. Don't add everything. Keep the remaining part for the third layer. For the third layer, add the remaining dark chocolate mix which we have melted and mix it well. This will give a dark brown shade to the mixture. And this will be our third layer. Now I am pouring the dark chocolate mix as my third layer. Tap it well and close the mold and keep it in the freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours. Overnight will give you best results. After 4 hours, we can demold it and cut it and serve it. This cream cheese is yummy and it is loved by the kids. Do try and let me know. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.